Welcome to your channel Money Magic. In this video, we will understand what TTM is. If you invest in the stock market, you must have heard this term TTM. Simply, TTM stands for trailing 12 months. It shows the performance of a company over the last 12 months. Let's understand with an example. Suppose there is a company that is called Reliance. Reliance earned rupees 10 crore from September to December quarter. In next quarter, January to March, it's earned 15 crore. And from April to June, it's earned 20 crore. And in last quarter, it's earned 25 crore. Then we add the profit of these 4 quarters and we will get the TTM profit. So TTM does not depend on any financial year. It simply means adding the last 12 months performance from today. The benefit of TTM is that it gives the latest and real performance of a company and help investor make better decision. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Keep supporting